The video shows the terrifying moment when Isabella Carmichael, a 9-year-old girl, realized she was not properly buckled into the Mega Drop ride as it ascended at the Greater Gulf State Fair in Alabama. The Mega Drop is a drop-tower ride that lifts passengers up to 75 feet in the air and then drops them at high speed. Isabella had put on the harness herself, but the ride operators did not check if it was secured. As the ride started to move, Isabella noticed that her seatbelt was loose and started to scream for help. She tried to pull up the harness, but it was too late. The ride had already reached the top and was about to drop. Isabella was terrified and thought she was going to die. She was not alone on the ride. Next to her was a boy who saw her panic and tried to calm her down. He asked her if she believed in God and told her to pray. He also helped her kick the belt up so she could buckle herself before the ride dropped. Meanwhile, Isabella's mother's best friend, who had taken her to the fair, was shouting at the ride operators to stop the ride. She had noticed that Isabella's harness was not locked and that the ride operators were not paying attention. She screamed bloody murder until they finally heard her and stopped the ride. They brought the ride back down and apologized to Isabella and her family. Isabella was shaken but not injured by the incident. She said she would never go on that ride again. The fair spokesperson said that the primary shoulder and body restraint was secured and locked, which is required for the ride to operate, but that one secondary safety device was not properly secured. They said they retrained all the employees manning the ride and that they take safety very seriously. However, Isabella's mother said she was not satisfied with their response and that she wanted better safety measures and training at amusement parks and state fairs. She said this was the same type of ride that killed another boy recently because his seatbelt was not buckled either. She said she was grateful for the boy who helped her daughter and wanted to do something special for him.